Audience Network. Say hypothetically that you have made advertisements on your Facebook page, used Messenger and Instagram as viable sources for your marketing campaign, and still you are having trouble getting potential customers to view your brand. Then the next step for you is to look into Facebook Audience Network. What makes the Facebook Audience Network so different than other marketing sources? The Facebook Audience Network is less about making an advertisement and more about establishing a connection with viewers across the entirety of the internet. The program takes pride in solving 3 problems of any marketing campaign: connecting with people who move across the web, showing your ads across high-quality apps and sites more closely associated with your specific niche, and driving more outcomes and improving the efficiency of your marketing campaign. A new kind of creativity. With Facebook Audience Network, a new form of creative expression for your brand can be established because, as Facebook claims, ads created in the Audience Network will automatically render themselves and fit the placement type with the same creative assets used on Facebook. Some quick facts about the Audience Network. 40% of the top 500 apps are accessible with the Facebook Audience Network. Analysts have found that there is a 16% increase in reach when your marketing campaign goes beyond Facebook and Instagram alone. Users of Facebook and the Facebook Audience Network saw an increase of 12% in conversions. Getting started making an ad for the Facebook Audience Network. First, go to www.facebook.com/ads/create. When using the ad creator for the purpose of using the Facebook Audience Network, only this selection of objectives is available: traffic, app installs, product catalog sales, video views, reach, brand awareness, and engagement. You'll have to work with these 7 choices, but considering that this is still over half of the total objectives provided, you should still be able to pick something that matches what you want to do with your brand. Once you have gone ahead and chosen an objective, it will be time for you to choose your ad settings. Ad settings. These are more important than ever before because you are no longer advertising on Facebook or Instagram alone. You'll need to select a format that can be applied to different niche sites and still be an effective part of the marketing campaign. As always, you can find your target audience by selecting a number of filters, including age range, gender, location, general or specific, language, and keywords, for instance, recent home buyers. You are also given the ability to exclude a certain keyword from your target audience. Next, you may go ahead and choose the placements for your advertisement. For this program, it is recommended that you choose automatic placement, ensuring yourself that you'll get the widest reach with your ad campaign across the internet. Once done, you can set up the total budget for your advertisement each day and select the ad's schedule. Designing the ad. Just like making a Facebook-based advertisement, the meat of the work is uploading a picture or video to be used, writing a description or other important text needed, and providing a secure URL to increase the likelihood of traffic for your Facebook page or website. Keep in mind, pictures will show up on the advertisement in the order that they were uploaded. You could choose to have your advertisement show as a full screen feature upon viewing, but keep in mind if the demographic you are targeting would like that or not. Keep in mind also the pixel feature, which allows you to make a pixel that will keep track of website actions, measure results from your advertising campaign, optimize ads for conversions, and target audiences for remarketing purposes. Once all of this has been completed, you can go ahead and review what you've done and click on the green Place Order button. How to effectively use the Facebook Audience Network. The Facebook Audience Network is a relatively new feature, one that many brands do not effectively take advantage of. There are plenty of tips out there on how to market, but it is best for you to look at some advice on how to use the Audience Network appropriately. Keep good tabs on where your content goes. There are many brands that are sensitive to where their content is shown. For example, a potato chip brand may not want their ads displayed on a website devoted to dieting and healthy eating. If you are to use the Facebook Audience Network effectively, then you cannot just create an ad and release it. You must keep a keen eye on where they are showing up and how often. Not for everyone. Not everyone should use this program, as everything has a downside to it. In one case, if your homepage or website is not mobile friendly, then you should probably opt out of this option, for it is highly driven by mobile devices. There are many marketers out there who would compare the Facebook Audience Network to lighting money on fire. But the truth of the matter is that it is the most affordable means of advertising on Facebook, period. A great way to avoid wasting money through the Audience Network is to create an ad first, posting it on Facebook or Instagram, whatever works best for your case, and save the ad. Once this has been done, you can go back and, in a separate placement, use only the Audience Network as a means of advertising. That way, the bulk of your campaign will not be lost on the Audience Network. Texting your ad is good. Most of the time, you want to cut down on the words used in your ad because you do not want to overwhelm the viewer. In the case of the Facebook Audience Network, a lot of the places that your ad can show up is in places where there is already a lot of text. Having a text-heavy advertisement is a good way to have it blend in with the rest of the website, making viewers feel more comfortable clicking on it.